Exercising daily isn't always the most exciting part of the day, but this routine has always made a difference in your life. It specifically targets stubborn fat around the knees and hips, and yes, even slim people can struggle with that. Today we'll focus on the front, back, and inner thighs. So it is the time to say goodbye to those so-called thunder thighs. The best part is that you can do this workout right from your bed or couch. And guess what? It only takes 3 minutes. Number 1. Toning the front of the thighs. Let's begin by working the front section of your thighs. Lie flat on your back and place your arms comfortably at your sides. Lift your legs up so they form a 90-degree angle with your torso, and point your toes outward. Keep your knees straight, avoid bending them at this stage. They should remain extended and firm. Now slowly bend one knee, then straighten it again. Alternate legs as you continue. Make sure your hips stay completely still and don't allow your knees to move toward your chest. Maintain that 90-degree angle at your hips the entire time. Perform 10 repetitions for each leg. Ready? Let's go! This movement strengthens not just your quadriceps but also engages your knees and abdominal muscles. Remember to keep your knees together and your thigh muscles tight throughout the exercise. You might be feeling that burning sensation? That's perfect. It means your muscles are working properly. 3, 2, 1, great job. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number 2. Toning the back of the thighs. This next movement has 2 parts. The first part is similar to the previous one, but this time your toes won't be pointed. Lie on your back again, lift your legs, and flex your feet so your toes are pulled toward you. Keep your knees close together and bend them one at a time. Each time you bend your leg, your heel should move toward your glutes while your toes stay flexed. Don't forget this detail as it's extremely important. Repeat 10 times on each leg. Timers on, let's begin. This combination exercise works both the front and back of your thighs while also activating your knees and core muscles. Keep pushing. Last one, excellent. Now let's move to part 2. Return to the starting position, lying on your back with your legs raised. This time, keep your knees slightly bent. Lift your hips off the floor by swinging your legs toward your torso while keeping your muscles tight. Repeat this movement 20 times. Go! Raise those hips, no shortcuts. If you feel tension in your hamstrings and a slight burn, that's exactly what we want. It means the exercise is doing its job. No pain, no gain. Just a few more seconds. Done. Now it's time for the final exercise. Number 3. Toning the inner thighs. Last but definitely not least, the inner thighs. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys inner thigh chafing, right? Lie on your back again and lift your legs upward. Cross your right ankle over your left, keeping both legs tight and pressed together. Now bend your knees outward into a plank position, then return to the starting position. Perform 10 repetitions with the right leg crossed over the left, then switch and do 10 more with the left leg on top. Let's get started. This move is fantastic for shaping your upper legs, glutes, and abs. Keep your legs flexed and firmly pressed together during the entire exercise. You should feel consistent pressure in your thighs. That's how you know your muscles are fully engaged. Almost there? And done. You made it. That wasn't too bad, was it? Hit the like button so you can return to this video daily and follow along with us. Trust me, you'll love the results. You can also check out our other video featuring a simple and unique 1-month program for beautifully sculpted legs. The results are so impressive they might even make Taylor Swift jealous. Now it is bonus time of the video. Beyond the obvious benefits, one of the greatest advantages of this workout routine is how helpful it can be for people dealing with swollen legs or varicose veins. Often, swelling, pain, and weakness in the legs aren't caused by illness but by an unhealthy lifestyle and long hours of sitting, uncomfortable shoes, or not enough physical activity. If that sounds like you, experts recommend following 3 simple rules. Rule 1, walking. It may sound simple, but the more you walk, the less swelling and discomfort you're likely to experience. Just make sure you're wearing comfortable footwear. An ideal amount is 30 to 60 minutes, 3 times a week. To boost blood circulation even more, try walking for 10 minutes every 2 hours. Walking in a pleasant place like a park or nature trail makes it even better. Rule 2, ankle exercises. This one is great because you can do it anytime, anywhere, no excuses. Simply flex your ankles 20 to 30 times, pulling your toes toward you and then pushing them away. This movement improves circulation and helps reduce fluid buildup. Practicing it regularly can truly make a noticeable difference. Rule 3, swimming. If you enjoy fitness activities, consider swimming or water aerobics. Moving against water resistance improves blood circulation in your limbs. It benefits not just your legs but your entire body, and it's fun too. Do you know any other leg exercises that work wonders? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to The Tasty Truth for the healthier side of life.